What's peace to the world? My name is Pegasus. I'm an MC. I rep the Bronx. For all those hip-hop heads out there, all you cats listening, we about to get into something. The song is called Children. A lot of things that we're not supposed to see. Yo, from crime witnessing to metal detectives in school, look at all the things that our kids gotta go through. You might live in a place where none of this is true, but they extend the human race, so these are your kids too. Cutting class, having sex, smoking weed at 12, selling drugs, grabbing sex, man, these streets are hell. Never understood what it meant to believe themselves in the concrete jungle where the trees all fell, where the negative currents try to pull you in. It is you against the world, but who will win? In my room I fought demons with ruthless grins, fought with my mind and heart where my music lives. You can see how some young minds didn't budge. It wasn't enough for teachers to say, don't do drugs. I helped rob houses before I knew what a condom was. How's that for safe sex or after school clubs? Cause we've seen things as children that we shouldn't have seen. From gunshots to investigative crime scenes, homicides, car crashes, police yellow tape, bodies outlined in chalk where the kids used to play. Ask yourself as a child, what did you see? What do you try to forget? What images do you keep? I will never forget what's in my memory, and I will fight to change this with all that's left of me. And yo, the windows of the building are like front row tickets. Without choice you become number one eyewitness. Window sills are the seats where you can enjoy the visions, and the window open is the perfect surround system. I saw my friend's mom get stabbed by her own man while they were bringing in the grocery bags. Screams for help echo from the building. A woman nearly stabbed to death right in front of her children, and the man got away. My homie chased him down the block, and all that claimed that were his boys did nothing but watch. How the hell you think my man felt? At that point I learned that I could never depend on a man's help. I remember snowball fights with the kids up the block. My 8-year-old Eduardo those time, it was coming to a stop. Weeks later, he was choked to death by his step-pops, cause he didn't want to clean out the cat's litter box. Another day by my window, kids were playing with chalk. I saw a man get shot 5 times as he walked. My uncle tried to comfort him and try to get him to talk as his blood puddled and slowly went down the sidewalk. My moms knew that we had to get out of the Bronx soon when a gun was pointed to her head and she was told not to move. Weeks later, they pointed the gun at me too. At that point, you tell me, what's a little child to do? Cause we've seen things as children that we shouldn't have seen. From gunshots to investigative crime scenes, homicides, car crashes, police yellow tape, bodies outlined in chalk where the kids used to play. Ask yourself, as a child, what did you see? What do you try to forget? What images do you keep? I will never forget what's in my memory, and I will fight to change it with all that's left of me. Thank you. My name is Pegasus. MySpace.com/poeticalpegasus. I got my man Final Outlaw, my brother here. Here we getting on next. I want to say thank you, KPFA, La Onda, Radio Café. Thank you for listening. Pegasus is my name.
Yeah.